What if I told you that you can go from zero to building real Python projects in just 30 days? Not by watching endless tutorials, but by following a simple, realistic plan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. Hello, my name is Remy. I'm a student from Algeria and I'm currently on a journey to learn programming and build my future in tech. And like most beginners, I was confused at the start. Too many tutorials, too many research, and no clear plan. So I decided to create my own roadmap. And today I'm sharing it with you. Before we start, you need to understand something important. Most people don't fail because Python is hard. They fail because they don't have a system. They watch videos, feel like they understand, but when they try to code, they get stuck. This plan fixed that because it's built on one principle: learn by doing. This is a 30-day plan divided into 4 weeks. Each week has a clear goal. Week 1, understand. Week 2, practice. Week 3, build. And week 4, improve. If you follow this structure, you will see real progress. Let's start with week 1. Your goal here is simple. Understand the fundamentals of Python. You'll learn things like variables, data type, loops, functions, if statements, and don't try to memorize everything. Focus on understanding how things work. And here's the most important rule: never just watch code, always write it yourself. Even if it feels slow, this is how you actually learn. Here's a simple daily routine: 30 minutes watching tutorial, 60 minutes practicing, and 30 minutes repeating and testing yourself. Do this every day, and by the end of the week, you'll feel much more confident. Now, week 2 is where things start to change. You stop being a passive learner and become an active one. Instead of watching, you start solving problems. For example, build a simple calculator, create a number guessing game, write small program using loops and conditions. You will get struck. You will feel frustrated, but that's a good sign. It means your brain is growing. When you get struck, don't quit. Try this. First, think for 10 minutes, then search online, then come back and try again. This progress is what makes you better, not shortcuts. Now, this is the important week. The most important week. Week 3 is all about building real projects. Because watching tutorials doesn't make you a programmer. Building does. Start with a simple project like a to-do list program, a quiz app, basic text-based. Your code will be messy, and that's completely normal. Focus on finishing the project, not making it perfect. Here's the mindset you need. Don't ask, is my code perfect? Ask, does it work? If it works, you're learning. In week 4, you start thinking like a real developer. You'll learn how to organize your code, basic Python libraries like random and time, how to improve your project. You can even take one of your projects and make it better. Add features, fix bugs, make it cleaner. And let's be honest, you won't become an expert in 30 days, but you will become something more important, someone who can learn and build. And that's the foundation of everything. If you're serious about learning Python, comment Python below and start day one today. And if you want to follow this journey, make it sure to subscribe. Your future starts with one line of code. Start now.